My dear students, today I am going to discuss trigonometric ratio of standard angles. These are the standard angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So this is included in the math syllabus of class 10. Alright. So let us begin with 45 degree, trigonometric ratio of 45 degree. Now for that purpose, this is a triangle necessary. Now this is a triangle ABC where this angle B is 90 degree and angle C is 45 degree. Now we are going to consider this angle. So this angle is under consideration. This is 45 degree. Now if this is 45 degree, then this must be also 45 degree. Why? Because of angle sum property, sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this is 90 degree, this is 45 degree. Therefore this must be 45 degree. Now if these two are 45 degree, then this is an isosceles triangle. That means two sides equal. Which two sides are equal? BC and AB. So let us take them as XX. So this is an isosceles triangle, 45 degree equal. Therefore their opposite sides are equal. So BC equal to AB. Suppose BC is X, AB is X. Now let us find out AC using Pythagoras theorem. So what will be AC? AC will be square root of AB square plus BC square. That means X square plus X square. So that is square root of twice X square. Alright. So that means root 2x. So root 2x is the measure of AC. So what is AC? Root 2x. We have found out using Pythagoras theorem. Alright. Okay. Now let us see sine 45. Now sine of this angle, now this is the angle under consideration, not A. Angle C is under consideration. So this is theta, alright. Now this is 45 degrees. So sine of this angle is opposite by hypotenuse, that means AB by AC. So this is equal to opposite by, opposite is AB, hypotenuse AC. Now AB is X, AC is root 2x. So therefore XX cancel, what you get? 1 by root 2. Now this is the value of sine 45 degree. So sine of 45 degree is equal to what? 1 by root 2. Okay. Next, cos of 45 degree. Now cos is what? Cos of this angle is adjacent by hypotenuse, that means BC by AC. So BC by AC. Now BC is what? X and AC is root 2x. So again XX cancel, what we get? 1 by root 2. So this is a value of cos 45 degree. So sine 45 degree and cos 45 degree happen to be equal. Alright. Then tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree. Now tan is what? Opposite by adjacent or perpendicular by base. That means AB by BC. So AB by BC. Now AB is X, BC is X. Therefore it is 1. X by X 1. So tan 45 degree is what? 1. Okay. Now next, cot of 45 degree. Cot 45 degree. Now cot is reciprocal of tan. So tan 45 is 1. Therefore cot 45 will be reciprocal of 1. That means 1. So we know the answer 1. But then we have to find from the triangle. So in the exam, that is how you will be asked. Derive trigonometric ratio of 45 degree geometrically. Geometrically means from the triangle, using the triangle. Okay. Not using any formula of trigonometry. So using the triangle. So cot 45 is what? Cot 45 is adjacent by opposite. That means BC by AC, BC by AB. So BC by AB. BC by AB. Now BC is X, AB is X, therefore it is 1. So tan 45 is 1, cot 45 is reciprocal of this, so 1. Okay. Now what is there left? Sec 45. So let us see now sec 45 degree. Now sec is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. So AC by BC. AC by BC. AC by BC. Now AC is root 2x and BC is x. So XX cancel. So it is root 2. So root 2 is a value of what? Sec 45 degree. At last, cosec 45 degree. Cosec 45 degree. Now, cosec is what? Hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. That means AC by AB. AC by AB. AC by AB. AC by AB. So, AC is root 2x and AB is x. So, what do you get again? Root 2. So, cosec is root 2. Now, sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Cosec 45 is reciprocal of 1 by root 2. That is root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sec 45 will be reciprocal of 1 by root 2, that means root 2. And these two are reciprocal of each other. Alright. So, this is how we have derived the values of a trigonometric ratio of sine. Trigonometric ratio of sine of is 45 degree. Okay. Okay. Now, let us see 30 degree and 60 degree. So, we have done this 45 degree. So, next we will go to 30 degree and 60 degree. Now, for 30 degree and 60 degree, we will use the same triangle. Same triangle will give us these two, 30 degree and 60 degree. Now, let us see this triangle. So, this is ABC, this is right angle. Now, this one we take as 60 degree. So, we are going to find this one 60 degree. Now, if this 60 degree, this will be 30 degree. Okay. So, next we will see this one 30 degree. So, first of all, we are going to do now trigonometric ratio of 60 degree considering this angle. Now, this angle is under consideration. Therefore, this side is the opposite side and this side is the adjacent side, and of course, this is hypotenuse. All right. Now, for this, we take the help of an equilateral triangle. Now, look at this one. So, let us consider ADC. Now, ADC is an equilateral triangle. ADC is an equilateral triangle. So, AD, DC and AC. So, all the sides are equal and therefore, each angle is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree and this angle is 60 degree. Alright. So, this is an equilateral triangle. So, we take the help of actually an equilateral triangle which is ABC. Now, from the vertex A, we have drawn a perpendicular to the base. Now, we are going to use one important property of equilateral triangle. So, what is the property? The property says from the vertex, if we draw a perpendicular to the base is bisected. That means perpendicular drawn from vertex of an equilateral triangle drawn to the base bisects the base. That means DB equal to BC. So, this is an equilateral triangle, this is the vertex, this is the perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the base DC. So, this perpendicular bisects the base. That means DB equal to BC. Now, let us consider DB as x and BC as x. So, they are equal. Now, if this is x, then what will be DC? DC will be x plus x twice x. That means this side of the equilateral triangle is twice x. Therefore, each side will be twice x. Because in equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So, this is x, therefore, this is twice x, therefore, this will be twice x, this will be twice x. Alright. So, using this equilateral triangle, we have found out in the triangle ABC, the hypotenuse is twice x and the base is x. Now, let us find out this perpendicular. Now, this part we can safely forget. So, let us now forget this part. So, we took the help of an equilateral triangle and found the measure of BC which is x and AC which is twice x. Now, let us find out AB. Now, using Pythagoras theorem, what is AB? AB is the square root of AC square minus BC square. So, AC square is DC square plus DC square. Therefore, what will be this square? It will be this square minus this square, isn't it? So, now that is equal to what we get? AC square. AC square means twice x whole square, that is 4x square, minus BC square. BC is x square. So that is root over 3x square. That means root 3x. So what is AB? Root 3x. So this AB is what? Root 3x. This is a measure of AB. So we have got all the three sides. Now we can go to find the trigonometric ratios of 60 degree. So this angle 60 degree is under consideration. So as I told you before, this is opposite side, this is the adjacent side, this is the hypotenuse. Okay. All right. Now let us find out one by one sine 60 degree, cos 60, etc. Now sine 60 will be opposite by hypotenuse, that means AB by AC. So AB by AC. Now AB by AC, what is AB? Root 3x. And what is AC? Twice x. So x cancel, what do you get? Root 3 by 2. So this is the value of sine 60. Okay. Next, cos 60. Cos of 60 degree. So cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. So BC by AC. So what is BC? X. And what is AC? What is AC? Twice x. So x cancel, 1 by 2. This is the value of what? Cos 60. Now let us find out tan 60. Tan 60 equal to what? Now what is tan? Tan of this angle is opposite by adjacent, that means AB by BC. So AB by BC. Now AB by BC, so AB is root 3x. Root 3x by x. That means root 3. So root 3 is the value of what? Tan 60. Okay. Next, cot 60. Cot 60 degree. So that will be equal to, now cot 60 will be reciprocal of tan 60. That means reciprocal of this will be 1 by root 3. But then we must find from the triangle. So cot is what? Cot is based by perpendicular or adjacent by opposite. That means BC by AB. BC by AB. So BC by AB. BC by AB. Now BC is x, AB is root 3x. Alright. So what do you get? 1 by root 3. So we have found from the triangle cos 60 is 1 by root 3. Now you see these two are reciprocal of each other because tan and cot are reciprocal of each other. Alright. Next sec. So sec of 60 degree. Now sec is a reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of this. That means it should be 2. So let us find out. Now sec is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. That means AC by BC. Now AC is twice x and BC is x. So what do you get? 2. So you see sec 2, that is reciprocal of cos 1 by 2. At last, cosec. Cosec of 60 degree. Cosec of 60 degree. Cosec is what? AC by AB. AC by AB. AC by AB. Now AC by AB, that is twice x by root 3x. Twice x by root 3x. That means 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 is the value of cosec 60. So this is what? Reciprocal of sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So reciprocal of this 2 by root 3. So that is cosec. So this is how we have found out what? Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec of 60 degrees. Okay. Now next let us go to 30 degree. For 30 degree we will use this angle. This is 30 degree. Why 30 degree? Because using angle sum property, as I told you before, this is 90, this is 60. Therefore this must be 30 because sum of these three must be what? 180 degree. Now we are going to use this angle. Therefore let us forget this angle. So 60 degree done. Now we will do what? This angle 30 degree. And the measurements remain same, x twice x root 3x. Okay. Yes, now let us find out one by one this sine, cos, tan and all that. Okay. All right. Now, when we consider this angle, this is the opposite side. This is the opposite side. And this is the adjacent side. This one is the adjacent. So AB is the adjacent because it is touching that angle. And BC is the opposite. So isn't it opposite to this angle? So hypotenuse remain as it is. So when we consider this angle, this is opposite and this is adjacent. All right. Okay, let us find out sine of 30 degree. Sine of 30 degree. Now sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Sine of 30 degree will be BC by AC. BC by AC. So BC by AC, BC is x and AC is twice x. So it will be what? Half. So half is the value of what? Sine 30 degree. Half is the value of sine 30 degree. Okay. Now coming to next, cos 30 degree. Now cos is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Now adjacent means AB, hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC. So AB by AC. So what is AB by AC? AB is root 3x and AC is twice x. Twice x. So x cancel, root 3 by 2. This is the value of what? Cos of 30 degree. Okay. Next, tan of 30 degree. Tan of 30 degree. Now tan is what? Opposite by adjacent. That means BC by AB. BC by AB. So BC by AB. Now BC is what? X. And AB is root 3x. So it is 1 by root 3. So this is the value of what? Tan 30. That is the value of tan 30. Then come to cot 30. Cot 30. Cot 30. What is cot? Cot is adjacent by opposite. So tan is opposite by adjacent. So cot is adjacent by opposite. That means AB by BC. AB by BC. AB by BC. So AB is what? Root 3x. Root 3x and BC is x. So it becomes root 3. Now you see tan and cot. They are supposed to be reciprocal of each other. Now look at these two are not the reciprocal of each other. All right. Okay. Now next sec and cosec. Next sec and cosec. So sec of 30 degree. Okay. Now sec is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. That is AC by AB. AC by AB. AC by AB. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Now what is AC? 2x. And what is AB? Root 3x. Root 3x. So it becomes what? 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. This is the value of sec 30. Now it must be reciprocal of cos 30. Now see cos 30 is root 3 by 2. What is reciprocal of root 3 by 2? 2 by root 3. This one sec. Sec and cos are reciprocal of each other. Alright. Now at last cosec of 30 degree. Cosec of 30 degree. Now cosec is what? Cosec is hypotenuse by opposite AC by BC. AC by BC. AC by BC. Now what is AC by BC? AC is twice x, BC is x. So it is 2. 2. So this is the value of what? Cosec 30. Now cosec and sine reciprocal of each other. Now if sine is 1 by 2, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. So you see. So from this triangle, using that triangle, we have found out trigonometric ratios of what? 30 degrees. So all the 6 trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees. Okay. Now 60 degree and 30 degree. So you have seen they can be found out from the same triangle. Is it clear? Using what? Using an equilateral triangle, drawing perpendicular, then perpendicular divides the base. So using that property, then we use this half of the triangle. Other half we need not. Okay. Okay, now what is left? 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, next we go to 0 degree and 90 degree. 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, first of all, let us find out 90 degree. So 90 degree. Now consider this triangle. Consider this triangle. No, it will be better to do that usual form. Usual form of triangle is this one, you see. Okay, this is A, B, C. This is 90 degree. This is angle theta. Okay, so this is the perpendicular. This is hypotenuse. All right. Now here, before we go to that, let me explain one concept. Okay. Now consider this one. Consider, suppose this is A, this is A, this is O. All right. Now suppose this angle theta. Okay. Now this is perpendicular OA. Suppose AB. This is perpendicular. This is perpendicular 90 degree. Okay. Now this is a perpendicular. This line is perpendicular to BO. This line is perpendicular to BO. So yeah, be attentive. So this part you must understand to understand that trigonometric ratio of 90 degree. Okay, same thing will be for 0 degree. Now you see, now this is a right angle triangle. This is 90 degree. This is angle, we call it theta. This is perpendicular. This is the hypotenuse. Okay. Now let us move this line. Suppose this is the line OA. Now we move it. We move it about O. We move this line about O. So this is O. This is the line OA. Now we move it like this. We move it like this and bring it to this line, which is perpendicular to BO. Now, yes, so suppose A has moved to this point. Now this is A, and this is AO. So A has moved to this position. A has moved to this position towards this line. Towards this line. It is moving towards this line. Now when A is here, this is the perpendicular AB. So you see the point B has moved to B. So as A is moving to this point, B is moving to this point. So this is the new A, this is the new B, you can say. So this is perpendicular. All right. Now the triangle ABO has become now this one, new triangle ABO. All right. Now as A is moving to this point, B is moving to this point, and this angle has increased. So this was the original angle. Now the angle has increased, you see. I followed. Now slowly this A is now moving this way, and finally it has come to this. Now this is A. So you see, originally it was at A, then it has moved to this, then it has moved to this, suppose, then moved to this. Finally it has come to A. Now when it comes to A, this B will move what? B will go and coincide with B. So this O will be also B. The same point will be O and also B. All right. Now look again. So as A is moving this way towards this point is moving towards this point. So this point B is moving towards O. Now when this point comes to this position, then B will coincide with O. And what is this line? This line is perpendicular to BO. All right. Now this line is AO and this line also AB. This is AO as well as AB. So this line is now we can consider as AO and also AB because O and B same. All right. Now what happens? Now originally this angle. Now when A moved to this point, it increased to this. Now finally when A moved to this point, now this angle has become this, which is 90 degree because this line was perpendicular. So now this angle is 90 degree. So theta has become 90 degree. So this angle theta has become what? 90 degree. Now when theta becomes 90 degree, what happens to AO? This AO and AB will be same line. That means this perpendicular AB and this line hypotenuse AC. So AB and AC will be same. So AB and AC. Yes, to make it similar to that, so let us call it not O but C. Let us call it C. So C and B same point. So when A comes here, what happens? AB and AC same line. So AB equal to AC. Now since B has gone and coincided with C, so B and C same point. Therefore length of BC will be 0. So BC equal to 0. This is what happens when this angle has increased to 90 degree. So this theta has increased to 90 degree and therefore B has coincided with C. That means BC has become 0 and then AC has coincided. AC has this AB has gone to this position. Finally AB and AC overlapping, coinciding, therefore AB and AC same. So this is what happens. All right, now all these things you don't have to explain in exam. Simply you will write what? Simply you will write this thing. When theta has become 90 degree. So why I am putting arrow? Slowly theta has increased to 90 degree. All right, then what? AB has become equal to AC and BC has become 0. So this part you will write. That explanation and drawing part you did not do. Simply you write this one, then go on doing. Yes, now sine of 90 degree, cos of 90 degree, etc. Sine of 90 degree, cos 90 degree, etc. So I hope this part is clear. All right. So when this is 90 degree, AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC and BC equal to 0. Okay. Now here we did not use any x, not necessary. You will see. Okay. Now sine 90, sine of this angle which is 90. Now that relation opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent remains same. So what is sine of this angle? Opposite by hypotenuse, AB by AC, AB by AC, AB by AC. All right. Now AB by AC, see AB and AC are equal. AB and AC are equal, therefore it will be 1. If AB and AC are equal, you see they are equal, therefore it is 1. So sine 90 equal to 1. Sine 90 equal to 1. So one value we got. Now come to cos 90. Cos 90 degree. Now what is cos? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. BC by AC. So as I told you, those relations, adjacent, hypotenuse and all, those relations do not change. So BC by AC. BC by AC. BC by AC. Adjacent by, this is opposite, this is adjacent, and this is hypotenuse, isn't it? The cos of this angle. Now this angle is 90 degree. Cos of 90 degree is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. BC by AC. BC by AC. Now what is BC? BC 0. 0 by AC. Now 0 by anything is 0. So this is the value of cos 90. So what is cos 90? 0. Now come to tan 90. Tan of 90 degree. Now what is tan? Opposite by adjacent. AB by BC. AB by BC. AB by BC. Now AB by BC. AB by BC. So AB remains AB and BC is 0. Okay. Now anything divided by 0 is called infinity. This is the symbol of infinity. That is a symbol of infinity, and it is also called undefined. 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 Now anything divided by 0 is meaningless. You cannot divide anything by 0. And theoretically, anything divided by 0 is the larger than the largest number. Now what is larger than the largest number? Does not exist. Larger than the largest number, it is quite, I mean, what you call, of no meaning. Therefore, it is called undefined. And symbolically, we indicate it by this symbol infinity. So remember, anything divided by 0 is infinity. So this one. So what is tan 90? Infinity. Okay. Now next cot 90. Now come to cot 90. Okay, let me do it cot 90. Okay, here. Okay, let us do it. Cot 90. All right. Okay, now come to cot 90. Cot 90. So what is cot 90? Cot is what? Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. That means BC by AB. BC by AB. BC by AB. Now BC by AB. What is BC? BC is 0. BC is 0. BC is 0. And what is AB? AB is AB. Now 0 divided by anything is 0. Alright. So cot 90 is 0. Now cot and tan are reciprocal of each other. So 0 and infinity are reciprocal of each other. Remember, 0 and infinity, these two are reciprocal of each other. So 1 upon 0 is infinity and 1 by infinity is 0. Anything divided by 0 is infinity and anything divided by infinity is 0. So these two are reciprocal of each other. 0 and infinity are reciprocal of each other. Okay. Okay, now come to next sec. Sec. So sec of 90 degree. So sec 90 degree. What is sec of this angle 90 degree? So sec is what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. That means AC by BC. AC by BC. AC by BC. AC by BC. Now that means AC by 0. AC by 0. AC by BC. So what is BC? 0. So anything by 0 is infinity. So what is sec 90? Sec 90 is infinity. Okay. Now at last cosec 90. Cosec 90. So what is cosec 90? Cosec of this angle, hypotenuse by opposite. So AC by AB. AC by AB. AC by AB. AC by AB. Now you see AC and AB are equal. AC and AB are equal. Therefore, this will be simply 1. So 1 is the value of cosec. So this is how we got a trigonometric ratio of 90 degree. So sin 90 we got 1, cos 90 we got 0, tan 90 we got infinity, cot 90 we got 0, sec 90 we got infinity, and cosec 90 we got 1. So these are value of what? Trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. Okay. Okay, now last one, let us see, that is 0 degree. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Okay. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Okay, now again, let me explain with this diagram. Let me explain with this diagram like before. So this is a C, this is A, C, this is B. This is 90 degree, then this is angle theta. This is angle theta. Okay, now this is a line perpendicular to, so this is a line perpendicular to BC. This is a line perpendicular to BC. All right. Okay, now for 0 degree, now see for 90 degree we moved A towards this line, but now we will move A towards this line, Actually, this was originally discussed with x-axis and y-axis. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, like that. So for to find 90 degree, we moved this point A towards y-axis. Now for 0 degree, we are going to move this point A towards x-axis. That means towards BC. So these x and y just, sometimes it is explained that way, but just think, now we are moving A this way. Okay. Now when A comes to this position, this is the new A and this is the new AC. So A comes to this position, this is the new A and this is the new AC. All right. Now this is AB, now this is the new AB. So now B has moved this way. When A is moving this way, B is moving this way. In the other case, 90 degree, you saw A was moving this way, B was moving this way. Both in the same direction, this way, this way. Now A is moving this way, B is moving this way. All right. So this is the new position of A, this is the new position of AC, this is the new position of AB. All right. Now, what is the angle? Now see, the angle has decreased. So this was the original angle theta. Now this is a new angle theta. That means angle has decreased. Okay. Now this way, if you go on moving A and finally bring A to this position. So from here to here, then slowly you move and finally you bring A to this position A. Then what will happen? AC. Now this will be new AC. This will be new AC. And then this B. So as A is coming to this position, then B will move to this position. That means this point will also be B. So this point will be A as well as B. That means point B will coincide with A. Point B will coincide with A, and AC will coincide with AB. That means AC will be equal to AB. So this AC will coincide with this line. This line is now this line. This is point. This point is B. Therefore, this is AC as well as BC. AC as well as BC, not AB but BC. So AC and BC will be same line. So AC, now AC, A has come here, so this is AC. And B has come here. So A and B are same point. Therefore, AC and BC same. AC equal to BC. And now consider this angle. So originally this was the angle, it has decreased. Now finally when A comes here, that means AC and BC coincide. Therefore obviously this will be 0, theta will be 0. Theta will be what? 0 degree. Now this angle has become now 0 degree. In the previous case it was 90 degree, now it is 0 degree. Okay. So this angle has 0, this angle is 0 degree. BC, AC equal to BC. And then what about this perpendicular? See, as A is moving this way, this perpendicular is decreasing. This is AB, this is AB. Then when A is here, this is AB. When A is here, this is AB. Finally, AB also has become 0. AB has become 0. Because why? A and B are same point. If A and B are same point, what is AB? Obviously 0, isn't it? So you see, this is what happens. Now this explanation, again I say, you don't have to do in exam. So you will simply write this thing. Okay. Okay, let me write it. I hope it is clear. So this is how now this theta angle has become 0 degree. Okay. So now what we write? When theta equal to 0 degree, then AC equal to AB. Then AC equal to AB. AC equal to AC equal to BC. Sorry, AC equal to BC. AC equal to BC. AC equal to BC and AB equal to 0. AB equal to 0. So this is what you write in the beginning. Okay. Now we can go to find those ratios one by one. Now what is theta? Theta is now 0 degree. Okay. Now let us see one by one. Sine of 0 degree. Sine of 0 degree equal to, now sine is opposite by hypotenuse, AB by AC. So AB by AC. Now AB by AC. Now AB is 0. AB is 0. 0 by AC. Now anything 0 divided by anything is 0. So this is the value of sine 0 degree. Okay. Then comes cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree. Now cos is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. That is BC by AC. BC by AC. Alright. Now BC by AC. See, BC and AC are equal. Therefore BC by AC will be 1. So this is the value of cos 0 degree. Okay. Now come to tan 0 degree. Tan 0 degree. So what is tan 0 degree? Opposite by adjacent. AB by BC. AB by BC. AB by BC. Now AB 0. 0. 0 by BC. AB by BC. So AB 0. So 0 by BC. Anything 0 by anything is 0. So this is the value of what? Tan 0. Okay. Now come to cot 0. Cot 0 degree. Now cot 0 degree. What is cot? Adjacent by opposite. That means BC by AB. BC by AB. Now BC by AB. So BC remains BC and AB is what? AB is 0. Now anything divided by 0 is infinity, which I saw before in case of 90 degree. So anything by 0 is infinity. Now see this tan and cot reciprocal of each other. So tan and cot reciprocal of each other. So now 0 and infinity reciprocal of each other. All right. So next what? Sec and cosec. Next what? Sec and cosec. So sec and cosec, let us find out. Sec of 0 degree. Sec of 0 degree is what? Sec of this angle is hypotenuse by adjacent. AC by BC. AC by BC. AC by BC. Now AC by BC. AC and BC are equal. Therefore AC by BC will be 1. Isn't it? Now sec and cos reciprocal of each other. So cos is 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1, isn't it? So this is the value of sec 0. At last, cosec 0 degree. Cosec 0 degree, what is cosec? Hypotenuse by opposite, AC by AB. AC by AB. AC by AB, all right? Now AB 0, so AC by 0. Now anything by 0 is infinity. Infinity. Now cosec and sine, reciprocal of each other. Now sine is 0. So cosec should be reciprocal of 0. Now reciprocal of 0 is infinity. All right. So we have got, you see, 0 degree. So this is 0 degree. What we got? This is sine 0, 0, 1, 0, infinity. Okay. So this is how we have found out thirty, 31. Okay, so this is how we have found out trigonometric ratios of all the 5 standard angles. Now in the exam, mostly this comes, mostly trigonometric ratios of 45 degree come. Okay, because this is the almost easiest. Therefore, students like it, but teachers don't like it. Okay, so but the 0 and 90, although not frequent in exam, but sometimes it is given. Therefore, you should be prepared with all this. All right then for today. So for today we wind up. Okay.